Good evening, everyone. I'm meteorologist Catie McNeil. You've now clicked on the Weather Now link. Kind of a humid but dry start to the weekend. Pretty good for any outdoor events. Humidity, obviously, not out of the question for this time of year. Pretty typical, but feeling a bit more muggy, especially after that drier stretch we saw a few days ago last weekend. But another busy weekend across southern New England, New Bedford for the Feast of the Blessed Sacrament, as well as the Jazz Festival, which will be wrapping up tomorrow. So a pretty good weekend for any of those outdoor events. We'll continue that trend on Sunday as well. Satellite and radar, a lot more in the way of clouds now through the second half of the day. That trend will continue with mostly cloudy skies as we head towards your Sunday, but the good news, it'll be a dry day. That's ahead of some more unsettled weather returning as we head towards your Monday. Our next system, a low pressure system, expected to bring periods of rain, some of which could be on the heavier side, along with some downpours and thunderstorms. And with that in mind, we do have an excessive rainfall risk, a level 1 risk for your Monday. Now, this is expected to be more localized, so not everyone will see these flooding issues, but that potential is there. We could see some flash flooding along with localized flooding, poor drainage flooding, and urban street flooding as well in those common problem areas that may typically see flooding in any widespread rain event. So let's take a closer look at what we're tracking the next couple of days. So again, the good news is the end of the weekend looks okay. Not a whole lot of sunshine. It won't be abundant. We'll kind of be looking at mainly cloudy skies throughout the day, but some sunshine for periods, more intervals of sun on and off. It'll be a warm day again, highs in the low 80s with that very high humidity throughout the day. Then we'll start to see those clouds kind of building back in, becoming more widespread as we head towards the overnight Sunday into Monday with showers, maybe some downpours at times, a thunderstorm as well. Humid with lows near 70, so very mild for the overnight time frame. And then that chance for showers becoming more abundant and potentially widespread as we head towards Monday, kind of on and off throughout the entirety of the day, which could affect both the Monday morning and evening commute. So with that, in the meantime, though, your Sunday morning, mainly cloudy skies throughout the day, maybe some partial sunshine on and off for certain spots throughout the day, but you can expect kind of a steady mixture of clouds with those humid conditions, and we'll see those temperatures warming into the lower 80s by the afternoon. So overall, not a bad day by any means. Dry skies continuing, just expect it to be continually muggy with a decent amount of cloud cover, but honestly, not too bad with the humid conditions, a little bit of relief with those clouds moving through. And again, we're continuing to track that potential for some heavy rain, which could lead way to localized flooding for your Monday. We'll, of course, have any updates on that, both on air and online at WPRI.com.